Thank you for watching this video. I am going to bring you either tips, helps, or something that I have found on the web in this video. So stay tuned and please subscribe. Also, I have some affiliate offers down below. Click those, and we appreciate all those that have supported us and are coming along with us. Stay tuned for the video. This is JJ Media. We'll be right back. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Okay, we are here going to show you a way to find an email. A lot of times when you are doing business and doing different things, you're trying to find an email of someone, and websites are getting to the point where the contact form is made to where you're just sending it to a generic form, a generic address, and you cannot see the email. So there is an extension that you can get for Chrome. You have to have Chrome browser, and so you can actually go to your apps, the web store, and put in Clearbit, and it says Clearbit Connect Supercharge Gmail. I've already got it connected, but it will show up in the extensions up here. So once it is connected, you can actually click on, and then you can select when you want it to work. I have it on every time I'm on my Gmail, or you can click on all sites. So you can probably go back and forth and change it, but I just wanted to show you how this works. So I clicked it. As you see, it's over here on the edge. Pull it up, and I actually started to just off the top of my head, ESPN. So let's go ahead and go to ESPN. Right there, it pulls up all the different people connected to ESPN. You can separate by CEO, communications, the different categories, or you can go by executive, director, or manager. But I'm just wanted to show you this. That way, if you are looking for an email address, let's just go ahead and click on this. There it is. There's the email. So I think that's pretty cool. If you are trying to find emails, that's a very easy way to do. I know in some of the smaller companies it maybe not work as well, but a lot of times if you're trying to just for customer service, you can use this for customer service for a company, find their email to contact the right person. So this is just a short video. Wanted to show you that real quick. Hope this helps. Have a great day. Make sure that you subscribe, you share, and then you go below in the description, click our affiliate links, and also connect with us on our social media. Have a great day.